Okay. This is different handle for this the overall and different shape if customer need.
Okay, so what material is this one?
This have ABS, also have the zinc. Have two material.
The zinc material and the ABS, right?
No, have two material. One is this one is ABS.
ABS
and
what's the other one?
inside another one is zinc.
Zinc.
Like this material. This material is zinc.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So these are all the finished products you do, right?
Yeah.
All the finished products.
Yeah. This is the body, main body.
This is the main body.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. And then you can fix with different handle you like.
Okay, we can fix with different handles we like.
Yes.
Okay, so what about this one here? This side?
This is also different products. Different shape. It means different shape.
Okay, so we can have our OEM, right? And ODM.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And ODM. The design.
Yes. Also yes. Yeah.
Okay. So that's great. So this one, does the factory produce the pipe also? Like the PVC?
pipe,
Yeah.
we don't have
No,
it.
no.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just focus on this part, right?
Just this one, not the price. Comfortable.
So what's the price? You have any range price of these ones?
For example, I give you one price. This is two-way and overall.
Okay, so what's the price of this one?
The price will be around $1.1, something like that.
Around $1. That's like 7.3 RMB.
Yeah. It's depend on
It depends on the
One
weight.
US dollar.
Yes, $1 for this one. Yeah, it
Depends on the
depends.
quantity as well.
Depends on the quantity
Depends
and
upon
quality.
the
Weight.
rate. Every day is a different rate.
Okay, that's great. So
Other-
so it's customizable. It has the ODM and the OEM. You can customize your product, and this is the main factory that produces this stuff. Yeah, it's in Taizhou City. Yeah. So where is Taizhou City? Which province?
Zhejiang province.
In Zhejiang province. Yeah, it's in China still.
Taizhou is in Xinjiang province.
Yes.
Yeah. Taizhou based on Xinjiang province.
So in summary, they are the manufacturer of these products.
For bigger cork.
All types of these products, about tap head, water head, just about what you see right here. They are the major factories.
It's just for the text people to check the products.
Yes, and they are born in Taizhou. Yeah, so all their prices are very, very
Come on.
affordable.
Come on.
And there's no agency, there's no agent fees, yeah? So they are the direct factory. There is no agent fee or agency attached. So you place the order of 1, 2, 3 or 4 containers you are buying from the factory direct, not an agency.
आप ये जितनी भी आइटम्स हैं आप डायरेक्ट ले सकते हैं, परचेज कर सकते हैं। ये फैक्ट्री है, ये फैक्ट्री है। इस फैक्ट्री से आप डायरेक्ट परचेज कर सकते हैं। ये you can buy directly from factory. No agent is involved. Direct factory.